Hey guys, my bike chick's pretty gay looking. Get Cody.
It's a Frappuccino frame.
It's a Frappuccino frame with a lemon on it. No warranty on this gay thing. Look at that! It cracked! Fuck Eastern! Yeah, my film sucks pretty bad. It just hit the screen like 3 times there. Okay, we got Fly Panther balls or whatever the fuck.
Pantera.
Gay stem. Gas top load cap thingy from Hooper. We got this fucking Easton fork. It's fucking cracked. What the fuck? Then we got this gay hub guard. That ain't no do shit. We got these 4 gay fucking pegs. I don't even use them. I suck. Then we got these gay tires. They're red with a purple rim. This shit's so strong, this hub is the best. Yeah. Tiny peg. And then we got these Madeira cranks that just suck cock, Luke says. Yeah, we got some shadow pedals. And then a duo pedal. Yep, that's how I roll. That's how Luke rolls. Then we got over here. Change the shit up. We're making a bike check. What the fuck?
What are you doing?
Then we got this gay stand. I don't know what the fuck it is.
Backwoods train.
We got this gay nitrous reader. Yep. Where's the Eastern logo? What the fuck is that? Got another gay tire. Yeah, that's my bike chick. Just kidding, this is my bike.